The first step to create this part, we will select the front plane and create this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we'll make, we will create this arc. And the angle between this point and this point here is 90 degrees. So open the Fusion, go to create a sketch, select the front plane, go to create, select arc, center point arc, click here in the midpoint, make an arc here with 30.5 millimeters of radius. Okay, and go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point and this one, this point and the midpoint. Okay. And now we will create these three lines, this one, and this one. This line here and this one has 7 millimeters of length, and the distance between this line here and the midpoint is 84/2. So select line, click here and this point, make a line here. Go to constraints and select equal, select this line and this one, and go to dimension. The length here is 7 millimeters, and the distance between this line here and the midpoint is 84/2. And now we will create this line here with 18 millimeters, and we will create this line here, and the distance between this point here and the midpoint is 41 millimeters. So select line, click here on this point, 18 millimeters, and make a line here, and go to sketch dimension. The distance here is 41 millimeters. Okay. And now let's create this line. This line has 9 millimeters. And this line here has 7.91 millimeters. And let's create this line here. So select the line, click here in this point, make a line here with 9 millimeters of length. And select the line, click here in this point, make a line here with 7.91 millimeters. And create a line here. Okay. And now go to mirror, select this sketch here, and the mirror line, select this one and press OK. We made this sketch. So finish the sketch here. We need to extrude this, and we will extrude this 56 millimeters. So go to extrude, select this profile, and the direction symmetric, measurement whole length, and the distance here 56 millimeters, and press OK. And now we will create this cut here. So to create this cut, we will go to create a new sketch and select this face here, and go to create, select project include, project, the selection filter, select body, select this body here and press OK. And select line, a construction line, make a construction line here in the center. I will hide this body a little bit. And select the line again, make a construction line here in the center. And now we will create this sketch here, okay? And this circle. So this circle here has 9 millimeters of diameter. And the distance between this circle and the midpoint here, or center line, is 15 millimeters. And the distance between this point here and this edge here is 7 millimeters, okay? It is the same line here. So select the circle, make a circle here with 9 millimeters of diameter, remove the construction line type, and go to sketch dimension. The distance here is 7 millimeters. And the distance between this point and the center line is 15 millimeters, okay? And now we will create a line here, and we will create an arc and another line. The distance between these two lines is 15 millimeters, and this arc here is cocentric with this circle. So select the line, make a line here, make an arc and another line. Go to constraint, select cocentric, select this arc and this circle here, and go to sketch dimension. The radius here is 7.5 millimeters, okay? Just to check the dimension, the distance here is 15. And here, go to mirror and select all this profile. The mirror line, select this one and press OK. And select the both sketch here again. And go to mirror. And the mirror line here is this vertical line. And press OK. And now finish the sketch. Show this body here. Go to Extrude. Select this profile. Let me hide this a little bit. You can select the circle too, okay? And here the direction will be two sides. And to this side here, we use 10 millimeters, okay? Just to cut through all here. Or you can select all. And the side two will be 18 millimeters plus 7. It is 25 millimeters minus 20.5, okay? So here is 25 millimeters minus 20.5. And press OK. Operation cut. And go to measure, select this face here and the bottom face. The distance here must be 20.5 millimeters. Okay. And now show the sketch 2 again and go to hold and select this point here. The extend all, the whole tape type simple, the diameter here 9 millimeters. And press OK. Hide this sketch. We made this one, okay? And now we will select the right plane and create this sketch here. So go to create a sketch and select the right plane. Go to create project, include project. The selection filter body, select this body here and press OK. I will hide this body. We have this profile for reference. And now we will create this sketch here. So we have a line here and another one here with 2 millimeters of length. And the distance between this line and the midpoint is 30.5 millimeters. So select line, make a line here with 2 millimeters, create another line here with 2 millimeters. Go to constraint, select equal, make these two line equals, and go to horizontal vertical, select this line and this one. Go to sketch dimension. The distance here is 30.5 millimeters. Okay. And now we will create this line here, this one and this one. And the distance between this line here and the center point here is 32.5 millimeters. And the length of this line is 7.81. So select line, click here. The distance here is 7.81 millimeters. Create another line here and go to sketch dimension. The distance here is 32.5 millimeters. Go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point here and this point here. Okay. And now we will create this line. This line here has 6.69 millimeters. Okay. And now we will create this tree line here. And this line here has 23 millimeters. And the distance between this line and the midpoint is 36. Go to constraints, horizontal, vertical, select this point and this point here. And here we will create a line with 5.5 millimeters. And here we will create this line here, this one with 9 millimeters of length, and this one. This line here is vertical with this one, okay? So select the line, click here in this point, make a line here, a line here with 9 millimeters, and a line here. And go to constraint, select horizontal, vertical, select this point and this point here. Okay, we made this profile and finish the sketch. Go to Revolve, show this body. The profile, select this one, and the axis, select the center line here. The operation here is cut and press OK. Let me make an analysis here. We made this one. So that's it. Here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.